5 times 76.
Stop it, Dad.
380!
You feeling confident?
No, I hate maths.
No, you don't. She'll walk these exams.
Right, come on. What's wrong?
I don't know. I just can't seem to focus on anything. My head hurts and hands are throbbing. And feet too, and...
Right in the gums.
Right, that's it. You're not going to school tomorrow.
What?
I'll email Mr. Jeffries. I'll say you're ill. Look, you're on the brink of transforming. How are you going to cope with a week of exams?
No way. I worked far too hard for this. I'll be fine.
Dad! The cloth! Maybe you would be safer at school.
Mystic creatures wandered far. Through these veins of wolf blood flows. Through these veins of wolf blood flows.
Look, you're not going anywhere today without this, and it's the last bottle in the house, so don't lose it. I'll make you another one up tonight.
What is it?
It's rescue remedy. It'll keep you calm.
Oh, it sounds rank.
Listen, it works, Maddie. You're just gonna have to watch yourself for a while. Just pop a few drops under your tongue whenever you feel stressed, okay?
Hey, man. What happened?
What? I'm fine.
Last night you never showed up. English revision?
Oh, right. Sorry, things just got a bit hectic. The English paper isn't until tomorrow. We could revise in the lunch hour if you like.
Right, thanks, man. You're the best.
Oh, what?
Oh, what is that?
It's nothing.
It smells vile. Not a tissue.
Honestly, Shan, it's fine.
You all set for the math test, then?
Okinawa!
Sir.
How am I supposed to chill out when I've got a week of exams? Tom's on my back, and my whole body feels like it's about to explode.
Maddie!
What? Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Waterman.
I'm here, sir.
Everyone
flushes. Shooting range. Smells like a Swiss Army. Oh my. Should be fun.
Ow! Keep it down, please, Ridian. Right, you lot. As you know, this week's exams will start with maths immediately after the dinner bell. Tomorrow we will be having English after first break. Here's hoping those past participles will trip off your pens.
You worry too much, Thomas.
Oh, do I?
There's really no need. I have a plan.
Oh, cheer up, Liam.
6 more days and 7 hours of this. I don't think I can stand it.
Do you want to know what helps?
Yeah, tell us. I'll do anything. What are we doing?
You know the best way to get rid of the pre-transformation blues? Move!
See Maddie?
She took off for a leak boy last I saw.
But Ridian?
What's the big deal?
Nothing. Are you sure? Ridian?
I get it. You want help from your little girlfriend for the English test?
Whatever, dude.
You know what? I think revision's well overrated.
Yeah? Well, you don't have dyslexia.
Maybe you, Thomas, just need to think outside the box. Let's talk.
Hey, Shan.
Cara, what are you, like, doing?
Do you mind if I sit down?
No.
This can't be happening.
Actually, Cara, I'm trying to do a bit of revision.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking we could work together.
Better?
Better. I know I've got a mum and dad and stuff, which is more than what you've got, but... Sorry.
It's fine.
No, what I meant was, it's just really good having someone my age to, like, share this stuff with.
Yeah. That goes for me as well.
Because I've always hated it, keeping it a secret from my friends.
I mean, everyone has secrets. I bet Tom and Shan don't share everything with you.
But they won't have secrets like mine. Sometimes I wonder, is it possible to stay friends with them? I mean, how well do they really know us? Oh, no. Tom!
What? No, you're supposed to calm down.
No! I was supposed to revise with them. We've got a maths exam in 10 minutes.
Oh, yeah. I'll catch you up.
You want to tell us what all that was about?
No big deal.
You sat at the same table. I mean, come on, Kaz. Shannon Kelly.
So what? You two are my BFFs. That just goes without saying. But the thing is, I need Shannon Kelly.
Why?
'Cause I think...
Come on, Kaz, you can tell us anything.
I think I might be good at science. Come on, aren't you fed up of being labelled total airbrains? I've known for ages now. In science, I just, like, get it. Even before the nerd brigade sometimes. But I never ever put my hand up. Why shouldn't I put my hand up?
Out. There are certain things we just don't do, Cara. If you're so smart, you should be able to figure it out for yourself.
I know where Jeffries keeps the test papers. Oh? Well, he called me in yesterday after Seth's Perspect dobbed me in for a dead leg. Well, I saw him, didn't I? I saw him pop the test papers in his bottom drawer.
And? What?
You still got that nifty high-res camera in your darkroom. Wouldn't take 2 minutes. Nip in, I'll watch the door, email the pickies to our phones, and...
Tom! I'm really sorry, Tom. I only just
Yeah,
remembered.
it doesn't matter.
No, it does, it does. I'll come round yours tonight.
No, I don't want your help. It's fine, yeah?
Tom! Well, fine!
Maddie, I do believe you have a maths exam.
Nice of you to show your face, Rudian. Now, settle down, everyone. You have exactly 1 hour starting now. You may open your papers.
Maddie, it's over, okay? Just keep calm. Just deep breaths, yeah?
Ridian Morris, you are in big trouble, young man.
What'd you go and do that for?
Shan?
You are mental, Ridian Morris. Just because you want to waste your own time doesn't mean you get to waste everyone else's.
Right, your attention, please. Go to our form room, use this time to revise. And you are coming with me to see the head teacher.
Yes, sir. Thanks, Maddie.
Why don't you just back off?
What?
Jump into daft conclusions.
Who are you to talk? You've been treating Tom like dirt. How many more times are you going to let him down, eh, Maddie?
Look, I know he's sensitive. I just got a little bit more to deal with than babysitting Tom today, okay?
Well, you know where to find us when you feel like rejoining the human race.
This is perfect. Now you can sneak into Jeffrey's office whilst he's taking Leak Boy to see the headmaster. Tom, the English paper, yeah?
Yeah. Why not?
Hey, Shan. What are you doing after school?
Now, why would you want to know that, Cara?
I thought maybe we could revise together. Is that okay?
You know what? It is okay. I thought I'd head over to the science lab.
Great.
Go. Remember, bottom drawer. Sorry, sir. Just, I panicked. All those numbers just started swirling.
Swirling?
Yes, sir. Swirling.
Perhaps the head teacher doesn't need to be involved at this point.
No, sir?
No. With your foster parents, you need to fill in one of these. Here we are. Okay. Right. Just sign this, and we'll see about getting you assessed.
Yes, sir. Do you think you could show me where they should sign? It's really confusing.
Oh. Yeah, no, absolutely. I could mark it for them. Doesn't mean you're off the hook, though. I'll be putting you in detention for setting that alarm off.
Yes, sir.
Not a lot slips past me in this school, Ridian. Now do yourself a favour and concentrate on your education.
Will do, sir.
What happened to you?
Came out of nowhere. No point in both of us going down. Did you do it?
Mr. Jeffries, could I have a quick word?
Wait there, Mr. Morris. I'd like you up front where I can see you, Ridian. Kay, Cara, Katrina, you'll be joining Ridian in detention this afternoon.
But why, sir?
Bullying a younger pupil should cover it. Would you like me to go into detail? What is it, Cara?
Sir, I was hoping to revise in the science block after school, actually.
I see.
It's true, sir. Shannon said she'd help me.
Is this true, Shannon?
Yes. Actually, I did.
Oh, right. Well then. Well, that's very admirable. On both your parts. You can attend detention tomorrow then, Cara.
Alright. Look, thanks for that, yeah?
No problem.
Are you gonna ask what I was doing?
No, it's none of my business. I've got nothing against secrets. Useful things.
Cool. Right, I'll see you later then, yeah?
Yeah.
How bad?
Nah, no lecture. Nothing inhumane.
I'm so sorry about that.
No worries. How are you doing now?
I'm good. I could do with blowing off some steam, though.
I've got detention, haven't I? Look, take it easy, yeah? On your mates, too. After all, they're only human.
They forgot to lock up the chemicals because of the fire alarm. Look.
Uh-huh. Cara.
Come on. Let's do some real science.
I still don't get why you couldn't have warned me.
It's not a big deal. You made it out in one piece. You've got the photos. Relaxez-vous, Thomas. Just hand over the camera and I'll download it at home.
No way. You're just gonna have to let me get on with it.
What's he doing in here?
I'll let him in if you got a problem.
Yeah, I've got a problem. He's not a member of the club.
Oh, and I mean, you've never let anyone in who's not a member before.
That's not the point.
I think you two ladies need some alone time. Don't let me down, Thomas. Get me that download.
Okay, what's going on?
It's none of your business, so just drop it, yeah?
Tom!
No, Matt. Do I ask you about everything you get up to?
Pretty much, yeah.
Well, you don't tell me, do you? You've been acting really weird since Ridian came, and you know it.
What are you talking about?
I'm not stupid, Matt, and neither Shannon.
Fine. I'll leave you to it. Whatever it is.
Great, see you around.
So Cara told Saskia that she's a size 0? Not with those calves.
Give it a rest, Katrina.
You're late.
Hi, Ridian.
Could have sworn there were 3 of you this morning.
So if you mix in the bromide,
Do you have any idea what will happen if we get caught?
relax, will you? I'll do it then.
Shan?
Ooh!
I just wondered if you wanted to get some hot chocolate at Bernie's after you're done.
Voila. Chemical reaction.
Or you could just do science with Cora.
Cool, huh?
This is unreal.
Sorry, what, Mads?
Can we do that again, but with like an accelerant?
Like, we shouldn't even be doing this. Just be careful.
What's wrong with everyone today?
What? You're the one out of whack, Maddie.
Ignore her. Best way.
Look, I don't know what you think your new friend is after, but once she's got it, she's not going to want to know you anymore.
Jealous.
Yeah. I am aware of that, Maddie, thanks.
What?
And if you cared about Tom so much, you'd be helping him, not one of them. So don't have a go at me about it.
Look, I really don't like this, actually. Can you please just put the chemicals down now? You have been a cow all day. To Tom, to me, and anyone who's dumb enough to care about you.
You've got no idea about my day. None. I'm out of here.
See ya.
Aren't you going to help me clear up?
Ladies and gentlemen, you are free to go.
Pretty in. So who do you think is the prettiest then? You can be honest with us, we don't mind, do we here?
You don't really want me to answer that, do you?
Yeah, of course I do.
Cara! Finished with revision?
I'm gonna ace that science exam, Ridian Morris. And I don't care what anyone has to say about it.
Brains and beauty.
Hey, Sean. I don't want to leave it like this.
Sean! We have to help her! You go get help! Hurry! Hurry!
Is this you? Twice in one day? No, there really is a fire in the lab. Maddie and Shannon. Get Jeffrey!
Tom! Thank goodness. Get them out of here! Now!
You saved him.
Shannon. Are you alright?
It's over, yeah? It's finished. You're safe now, Shan. You're safe.
I don't know who Maddie is anymore.
What do you mean?
I told you what happened.
You banged your head, Shan. You were sucking up all them fumes.
I know what I saw. Is it Maddie?
No, it's Jimmy.
Hey, wait up!
I really don't need this, okay? You don't have to hang with me, but do me a favour and lay off the attitude. What I do with my life is my business. End of.
Of course it is. End of. Me and Katrina were thinking, maybe we could all study together tonight.
You got me an email. Just because you're a school hero, don't think I won't tell them exactly what you did.
Tell them what you like.
Yeah, well, I hardly need to when you actually do well in an English exam for once in your life.
Well, I deleted the photo, so I won't do well, but I'll do my best, yeah?
Hey,
Hey, Mads.
Tom, I just want to say...
I know. Don't worry about it. Oh, what's that? It smells disgusting.
Something to get us through the day.
So not werewolf potion, then?
Sorry?
Shannon's new theory? Get this. Apparently, you're a werewolf. Ow!
Why would you think that?
She supposedly saw you turn in the fire.